Hello and welcome. My name is Daniel, and you are listening to English Unlocked. This lesson is made for beginners. We speak slowly. We use simple words. You can relax, listen, and learn. Today, we talk about daily life. Simple things. Things you do every day. You do not need to remember everything. Just listen. Your brain learns by hearing. Let us begin. Every day starts in the morning. You wake up. You open your eyes. You are in your bed. You say to yourself, "Good morning." Good morning. This is a very important phrase. You can say, "Good morning," to your family, to your partner, to your children, to your co-workers. Good morning is polite. Good morning is friendly. Good morning is simple. After you wake up, you get up. You stand up. You go to the bathroom. You wash your face. You brush your teeth. You look in the mirror. You can say, "I am tired," or "I feel good today." Listen again. I am tired. I feel good today. These are everyday sentences. You can use them every day. After that, you have breakfast. Breakfast is the first meal of the day. You eat breakfast in the morning. You can say, "I have breakfast at home," or "I do not have breakfast." Some people drink coffee. Some people drink tea. Some people eat bread. Some people eat fruit. You can say, "I drink coffee." I drink tea. I eat bread. Listen slowly. I drink coffee. I drink tea. I eat bread. Very good. After breakfast, you start your day. You go to work. You go to school. Or you stay at home. You can say, "I go to work." I work from home. I stay at home today. All these sentences are simple. All these sentences are useful. Do not hurry. Listen. Repeat in your mind. English becomes easier when you listen calmly. We will continue in the next part. Now your day continues. After breakfast, many people leave the house. They put on their clothes. They take their bag. They take their keys. You can say, "I am ready." I am not ready yet. Listen. I am ready. I am not ready yet. These sentences are very useful. When you leave the house, you may go to work. You may go to school. You may go to the store. You can say, "I go to work at 9. I go to school in the morning. I go to the store." Some people drive a car. Some people take the bus. Some people walk. You can say, "I drive to work." I take the bus. I walk. Listen slowly. I drive to work. I take the bus. I walk. At work, you meet other people. You see your co-workers. You say hello. You can say, "Hello." Hi. How are you? How are you? This is a very common question. You can answer, "I am fine." "I am okay." "I am tired." "I am busy." Listen again. How are you? I am fine. I am okay. I am tired. I am busy. You do not need long answers. Short answers are normal. During the day, you work. You answer emails. You talk to people. You do your tasks. You can say, "I am working." I have a meeting. I am busy now. If someone asks you for help, you can say, "Yes, I can help." Or, "Sorry, not now." Listen. Yes, I can help. Sorry, not now. These phrases help you sound polite. Later in the day, you have lunch. Lunch is the meal in the middle of the day. You can say, "I have lunch at 12. I eat lunch with my coworkers. I eat lunch alone." Some people eat at home. Some people eat at work. Some people eat in a cafe. All of this is daily life. All of this is real English. Do not translate every word. Just listen. Your English is growing. We continue next. After lunch, the day moves on. People go back to work. They sit down. They focus again. You can say, "I am back at work. I am busy this afternoon." Listen slowly. I am back at work. I am busy this afternoon. These sentences are natural. During the afternoon, people often talk about tasks. You can say, "I have a lot to do. I am almost finished. I am done." Listen. I have a lot to do. I am almost finished. I am done. Very good. Sometimes work is difficult. Sometimes it is easy. You can say, "It is hard today. It is easy today." Simple words are enough. Now imagine the end of the workday. The clock shows the evening. People start to slow down. You can say, "I finish work at 5. I am done for today." Listen again. I am done for today. This sentence feels good. It means you can rest. When you leave work, you may say to others, "See you tomorrow." Have a good evening. Listen. See you tomorrow. Have a good evening. These phrases are polite and friendly. Now the evening begins. You go home. You open the door. You put your things down. You can say, "I am home. I am tired." Listen. I am home. I am tired. In the evening, people relax. They sit down. They watch TV. They listen to music. They rest. You can say, "I relax in the evening. I watch TV. I listen to music." These sentences describe real life. You do not need difficult English to talk about your day. English is simple when you use everyday words. As you listen now, notice how calm the language is. There is no rush, no pressure, just listening. Your brain connects words to life. This is how understanding grows. We will continue gently. In the evening, the pace of life becomes slower. People do not hurry anymore. They finish what they need to do. They think about rest. You can say, "I am relaxing now. I need some rest." Listen slowly. I am relaxing now. I need some rest. These sentences are calm and natural. In the evening, people often talk about food again. Not breakfast, not lunch, but dinner. You can say, "I make dinner. I cook at home. I order food." Listen. I make dinner. I cook at home. I order food. All of these sentences are common. Some people eat with family. Some people eat alone. Some people eat with friends. You can say, "I eat with my family. I eat alone. I eat with friends." Simple English describes real life. After dinner, people relax more. They sit on the sofa. They drink tea. They watch something. They talk quietly. You can say, I watch a movie. I drink tea. I talk with my family. Listen again. I watch a movie. I drink tea. I talk with my family. These sentences are easy. They sound calm. In the evening, people often talk about how they feel. You can say, I feel tired. I feel relaxed. I feel better now. Listen. I feel relaxed. I feel better now. Very good. Sometimes people talk about tomorrow. You can say, tomorrow is a new day. I work tomorrow. I am free tomorrow. Listen slowly. I work tomorrow. I am free tomorrow. These sentences are useful. As the evening goes on, the body starts to rest. The eyes feel heavy. The mind feels quiet. You can say, I am ready to sleep. I am going to bed. Listen. I am going to bed. This sentence means the day is finished. At this time, people say, good night. Good night. This is not a greeting. This is a goodbye for the day. Now listen one more time. I am relaxing now. I feel tired. I am going to bed. Good night. Let the words stay with you. English is becoming part of your day. Morning, afternoon, evening. This is how language feels natural. We continue gently. Now the day is almost over. The lights are softer. The sounds around you are quieter. The world slows down. This is a good moment for calm English. You are not learning fast. You are learning naturally. Before sleep, people often think about the day. Not in detail. Just simple thoughts. You can say, today was a good day. Today was long. Today was busy. Listen slowly. Today was a good day. Today was busy. These sentences are very common. Sometimes people talk about small things they did. You can say, I worked a lot today. I talked to many people. I stayed home today. Simple sentences are enough. In the evening, people also prepare for the next day. They put clothes away. They check the time. They think about the morning. You can say, I wake up early tomorrow. I have work tomorrow. I have plans tomorrow. Listen. I wake up early tomorrow. I have work tomorrow. These sentences help you talk about your routine. Now imagine you are in your bed. Your body feels heavy. Your breathing is slow. Your eyes are closed or almost closed. You can say, I am comfortable. I feel calm. I am ready to sleep. Listen again. I am comfortable. I feel calm. I am ready to sleep. Very good. At this time, English does not need to be active. It can be soft. It can be quiet. You do not need to think about grammar. You do not need to remember rules. Your brain listens. Your brain learns. Even when you rest. Even when you sleep. The sounds stay with you. This is how English becomes familiar. Not by force. Not by stress. But by calm repetition. Now take a slow breath. Let the day end. You are doing well. You are learning English. We will continue gently. As you rest now, everything feels quieter inside. Your body is still. Your breathing is slow and even. There is nothing you need to do. This is a good moment to listen. English sounds gentle here. It does not hurry. It does not ask for effort. Before sleep, many people feel calm but a little tired. That is normal. You can say, I am very tired. I feel sleepy. I need to rest. Listen slowly. I feel sleepy. I need to rest. These sentences are simple and natural. At night, people often stop talking. They stop checking their phone. They stop thinking about work. You can say, I turn off the light. I put my phone away. I close my eyes. Listen again. I turn off the light. I close my eyes. These sentences describe quiet actions. English can describe calm moments too. You do not need strong words. You do not need long sentences. Soft English fits the night. Now imagine the room around you. It is quiet. It feels safe. The air is calm. You can say, the room is quiet. I feel safe here. Listen. The room is quiet. I feel safe here. Very good. Your mind slows down. Thoughts come and go slowly. You do not follow them. You just listen. English stays in the background. Like soft music. Your brain hears the sounds. It remembers the rhythm. It learns quietly. You do not feel pressure. You do not feel stress. This is good learning. You can listen again tomorrow. You can listen again another day. Each time, English will feel easier. Now stay still. Stay calm. Listen once more. I feel calm. I am safe. I am ready to sleep. Let the words stay with you. The night is quiet. The lesson is gentle. English is becoming part of your daily life. We will finish slowly. Now everything is quiet. The day is finished. There is nothing more you need to do. Your body is resting. Your breathing is slow and natural. Your mind is calm. This is a good place to stop. You have listened to simple English. You have heard everyday words and sentences. You have heard how English sounds in real life. You did not hurry. You did not push yourself. That is good. Learning does not always feel active. Sometimes learning feels like rest. When you listen calmly, your brain works quietly. It connects sounds to meaning. It remembers rhythm. It remembers how English feels. This kind of learning stays with you. You may not notice it now, but later, something will feel familiar. A word, a phrase, a sentence. You will understand without thinking. That is progress. You do not need to be perfect. You do not need to know everything. You are learning step by step. English is becoming part of your day. Morning, afternoon, evening. You can come back to this lesson again. You can listen while resting. You can listen before sleep. Each time, it will feel easier. Now you can let go completely. If you are awake, stay calm. If you are tired, let yourself sleep. There is nothing else you need to remember. Just this. You are doing well. You are learning. You are moving forward. Thank you for listening. My name is Daniel, and this is English Unlocked. Good night, and rest well.